Hello!
Guess what?
What?
Today is Arts and Crafts with Boris
And Yanni.
So, today we make something very special out of penny straws. So, here we go.
Okay.
Okay. We worked so long and hard on our creation, and we know that you will really love it.
The revealing time. It is come.
What did you make, Yanni?
I make the never-ending straw.
Wha-
It keeps coming.
How did you do that? It never stops.
Ta-da.
What is that crazy? Well, guess what? I also make a really big straw. It looks like this. Look, you can drink out of it like this, and you can drink
So
much at all at once.
And with mine, you can drink from a mile away.
This is the perfect combination of perfectness.
You can buy them by calling 1-800 Boris Yanni Fanny Salamla Shalamla Blabla in the next 5 minutes, and we'll include all the rappers for free.
You can fight off predators. This multi-purpose
You
instrument.
can flat the flies.
You can whistle a tune.
Swat the flies.
Did you say flat this one?
I did. I don't know. Tell
You
me.
can whistle a tune. And then when you are done, you can put it in your hair as a decoration.
And everybody will love you. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
You
You are